Your dashboards look impressive, right? Charts, numbers, filters, colors everywhere. They feel like you have control. But let me ask you a question. Why do so many businesses with amazing dashboards still make poor decisions? The answer is simple, yet profound. Dashboards show data, but they don't tell stories. And without a story, data rarely leads to action. This is the critical gap where immersive data storytelling comes in. Data storytelling isn't just about making your charts prettier. It's about connecting data to context, meaning, and real business impact. Think about it this way: a dashboard might tell you that sales dropped by 12%. That's a fact. But a data story explains why they dropped, what other parts of the business this affects, and most importantly, what you should do about it. That difference is everything. Business leaders are drowning in data. They don't need another chart. They need clarity. They need a clear path from information to decision. This is why immersive data storytelling doesn't start with a tool or a dataset. It starts with a crucial business question. Questions like, what big decision do we need to make right now? What major risk are we facing that no one is talking about? What hidden opportunity are we missing? Once that question is crystal clear, the data stops being the star of the show. Instead, it becomes a supporting character, providing evidence for the story you're building. The next essential ingredient is context. Numbers without context are not just useless. They're dangerous. A rising cost might look bad on a dashboard, but what if that cost is fueling massive growth or building long-term customer value? The story changes completely. Good data storytelling places every number inside its real-world business environment: market trends, customer behavior, operational challenges, and strategic goals. Then, you need structure. The most effective data stories follow a simple, logical flow that anyone can understand. First, what is happening? Second, why is it happening? Third, why does it matter to us? And finally, what should we do next? This structure transforms a dry analysis into a powerful decision narrative. It's the journey from to aha to let's do this. Another key element is focus. This is where dashboards often fail. They try to show you everything at once, creating a wall of noise. An immersive story does the opposite. It ruthlessly cuts through the noise to highlight only the insights that directly influence action. It respects your audience's time and attention by getting straight to the point. Now, visuals are still incredibly important, but their role changes. They serve the story. They don't replace it. A single, clear visual that hammers home one powerful message is worth more than 10 confusing charts with no clear purpose. The goal of a visual is to guide understanding, not to test it. Immersive data storytelling also taps into relevance. When I say emotion, I don't mean melodrama. I mean connecting the data to outcomes people genuinely care about: profitability, efficiency, risk, growth, and their own performance. When people see exactly how the numbers affect their goals and their work, they don't just listen, they lean in. They get invested. So many analytics projects fail, not because the data was bad, but because the insights were never communicated in a way that drove understanding and action. This is why even companies with advanced analytics teams can struggle to create real impact. In our data-saturated world, the competitive advantage isn't about who has the most dashboards. It's about who can translate data into decisive action the fastest. So, what does it truly mean to go beyond dashboards? It means starting with business questions, not data sets. It means adding rich context to every number. It means structuring your insights as a compelling story. It means focusing on the decision that needs to be made, not just the visuals. And it means communicating with absolute clarity and purpose. Remember this: dashboards inform, stories influence. And in business, influence is what creates impact. If you want to turn your data into your most powerful asset, stop building dashboards and start telling stories. Thanks for watching. If this idea resonates with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on making data work for you. See you in the next video.